Hey there, this is Shake Mozart, and these are the dance motions for the song I Got My B-I-B-L-E from our Kids Church Party Music album. Here we go. So we're going to start off with the chorus, and it goes like this. You're going to make a book with your hands that's just going to open and close. And as we do that, we're going to take some steps on beats. So it goes like this. I got my B-I-B-L-E, my B-I-B-L-E, I got my B-I-B-L-E. My B-I-B-L-E. Just like that, real simple. Now for the first part of each verse, we're just going to sing along with the person who's leading. So each verse has a bridge that leads back into the chorus. And for the bridge, we're going to spell out the word Bible with our bodies like this. We're going to start with a B. We're going to make our little teapot handle and we're going to stick one arm up, B, and then both hands up, I. Then we're going to drop our teapot handle back down, B. We're going to stick that teapot handle out to make the L, and we're going to drop our bodies to make the E. I got my B-I-B-L-E. B-I-B-L-E. I got my B-I-B-L-E. B-I-B-L-E. You may want to stretch a little bit before you do that. Now for the breakdown of the song, we're going to do this. I got it. Yeah, I got it. I said I got it. Yeah, I got it. And we're going to get louder and more intense as we go. I got it. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah, I got it. And those are the dance motions for I Got My B-I-B-L-E, which is part of our Kids Church Party Music album, which you can find on BigCityStudios.tv. My name is Shake Mozart from Big City Studios. And I'll see you next time.